Welcome to this new video from the ASAR 3D channel. We will see in this video how to turn cogwheels pushed by a cog bar. We'll start by assigning copy rotation constraints to two cogwheels and reversing the rotation so that they can realistically rotate. Here are three cogwheels. Currently none of these wheels has any influence whatsoever on the others. We are now going to select the second wheel and add a copy rotation constraint to it so that the rotation of the first wheel affects its own rotation. As you can see, the rotation of the second cogwheel is the same as that of the first wheel. This is not logical. Let's invert the direction now. It's better, isn't it? Now let's do the same with the third cogwheel, linking it with the second. We will now see how to rotate an object on its axis by moving a bar on the x-axis. It will be necessary to use a somewhat more complex constraint. For now our gear is working, but is not affected by the cog bar. Let's select the first cogwheel and assign it a transformation constraint. Be sure to assign the constraint to the cogwheel and not to the cog bar. The constraint works badly in the second case. In the Map from tab indicate a maximum displacement value. The value varies depending on your own gear. I choose in my case 130. In the Map to tab, select rotation and indicate that the rotational movements are constrained by the displacement on the x-axis of your cog bar. Specify a maximum value on the z-axis that is at least 10 times greater than the value you chose previously. Now test the result and adjust the values so that the speed of the movements match. Thanks you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Other types of videos are available on my channel.